Hi, my name's Carleton. I work here at Mr. Electric of Gastonia. I'm a technician here. I've been doing this for about 3 years. So I started out wiring new houses, and then I made my way into being a technician. So when I go into a customer's house, basically we go over a safety check and we make sure your house is safe. That's what I love about what we do. We go in and do the safety check to make sure your house is safe. Also, what I like is making a customer happy. Any add-ons, we do can lighting. We also do panel change-outs. There's all kinds of obstacles I run into on a daily, and that's what I love about what I do, is the obstacles I run into and to achieve them obstacles. We go to Mount Holly, Belmont, Lincolnton, Gastonia, and the surrounding area. I want every customer to know that I'm going to come in there with a smile and that I'm going to make them happy. Because if they're not happy, I'm not happy.